Hello. CarPlay can finally watch videos. We found this app. Video can be played without jailbreak. Now you can watch videos while driving, but I won't know. This supports video function. How is it used? It is the phone updated to iOS 26.5 or above, or iOS 27. It will be compatible. The rest is the app. It is mainly a video app to adapt to the video function of CarPlay, and it can be used. All CarPlay products are available. Now supports an App TV app. We can do this. To watch videos. Our module can support full screen display. We can cut to full screen to watch the video for better effect. After cutting to full screen, we can open the software again and watch the video. We can hide this. Change the channel. This is the function of CarPlay to watch videos. As long as the video app is updated, it can be compatible. All CarPlay products can be used. Okay, thanks.